Welcome to my YouTube channel. We're excited to have you here. Stay tuned for great content.
Top 4 Best Drilling Machine Review 2025.
Number 4.
Description: Name: Small bench drill. Voltage: 220V. Input power: 800W. Speed: 200-2500 RPM. Clamping capacity: 1.5 to 13 mm. Spindle stroke: 90 mm. Working radius: 147 mm. Size: 280 by 332 by 645 mm. Package weight: 11 kilograms.
Number 3.
The awesome 6-speed benchtop drill press is a powerful and precise drilling machine designed for woodworking, metalworking, and DIY projects. Featuring adjustable speed settings, it provides optimal control for various materials. Its sturdy construction and compact design make it an ideal tool for workshops, ensuring accuracy and efficiency.
Number 2.
Description: Brushless digital display table, drill small household 220V high-power drilling machine workbench high-precision drilling machine. Product parameters: Voltage, 220V 230V/50 Hz, power, 400W. Clamping range 1.5 to 13 mm. Spindle speed, 300-2500 R/min.
Number 1.
The ALLSOME Mini Bench Drill is a compact and versatile drilling machine designed for DIY woodworking and metalworking. Featuring variable speed control and a 1 to 16 mm drilling chuck, it ensures precision and efficiency. Its sturdy build and electric-powered performance make it ideal for hobbyists and professionals seeking accurate drilling results.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Takrim Media, for more exciting content. Please. Thank you for watching.